Hi, I'm Ratan. This is a video testimonial for the 5-day job bootcamp for Aryan Singh. The job bootcamp has been amazing. I've gained a lot of knowledge, learnings, how to optimize myself, learned a lot of tools, learned a lot how to implement AI in my working, gained a lot of resources, learned a lot about cold emailing, how to optimize myself through tools, and how to learn through AI, how to make project faster, a lot of things. If I want to recommend it to my friend, I would absolutely recommend it. You gain a lot of knowledge, how to implement it, how to make it, how to optimize ourselves as the world is moving faster. It is a great journey so far. The 2 days has been amazing. I'm looking forward to the next 3 days. I'm, uh, I know I will gain a lot of knowledge by the end of the boot camp, and it has been amazing journey so far. Uh, and that's it. Next is a personal request. My personal request to Aryan Singh. Uh, uh, my Twitter ID edited Ratan's Twitter, RATNSTWT. I have also messaged you a lot of times on Instagram also. I hope to see your reply or connect with you. I have some doubt about myself or something. I hope I could connect with you. Thank you.